are visiting from the Philippines, and I haven't seen him since 2012. His family even longer. They arrived in the Bay Area 3 days ago, and so the entire family is going to take a couple of days to take them sightseeing in Yosemite. All right, now let's go meet up with them.
I know, right? Parang gay. Last minute time out. Lian, are you okay? Huh? Oh, you did?
Alrighty, so we are about 30 minutes out to our Airbnb place. We're just stretching our legs at a very unlikely stop. And so we're here at the mystery house. There's the one brother, and there's the brother that's visiting. Why is this place called the mystery house? That's what we're wondering. We'll find out. I hope not.
Hello.
Say hi. And there's the rest of the family. Shy. No, not shy. Hi. Memories. So let's go ahead and take a tour of the house. Wow. This is a large place. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. There's a game room. Holy moly. There's the first bedroom. Shared bathroom.
Yeah.
Here's the other bedroom.
Oh, there's a gaming room here.
Here's... Right here, it's right here. There's a bed right there. Oh my goodness. Holy moly.
Because I've been all over. Oops, I don't want to be all over. Not my phone, yeah.
Oh no. Utility. Here's another bathroom. Oh my gosh. Look at their kitchen. Holy moly. That is awesome.
Lori.
Oh my gosh.
J-E-D. J-E-D. Jet.
And here's the, wow. My gosh, look at that. So now we're preparing for dinner. No. Lumpia. All right, they're all back from grocery shopping.
Yeah. Pwede na siguro. Pwede yan, matamis yan.
This is vacation mode.
Bakit ganun ka desperadong worries?
Steak on the Barbie,
Ibig sabihin, may nangyari.
and the boys watching the NBA draft.
What do you think?
No, yeah, my dad went there.
Like it?
Yeah, my dad was there.
You want to put the rice on it?
No way.
Maybe later.
Except he ran out of water.
Ate Ben, just grab and go.
Well, as you can see, it is now the next day. I didn't get to close out the vlog last night because we got into talking, storytelling, and just plain catching up. And as you can see, we are all ready to go into Yosemite, really explore Yosemite today. So from my mind side to yours, stay tuned for part 2 and 3 of this Yosemite road trip. Thanks for watching.